from AVN Ayurvedic Center, Ernakulam. Welcome, Doctor. Doctor, can you explain to me the relevance of Ayurveda in the modern era?
Actually, Ayurveda is a 5,000 years traditional medicine, but still people are believing the concept of Ayurveda because of the concept that the three dosha, the three bioenergy principles, and the Pancha Mahabhuta principle, like that, with the 5 elements theory will say. With the 5 type of elements, the body and the whole universe is made up of. That is the basic concept of Ayurveda. With that concept, still Ayurveda, the relevance of Ayurveda is still proven.
Doctor, we have an inquiry.
Hello, my name is Surya and I am from STT school, Nochima, and I am having a doubt. Can you suggest a safe method for stress?
So, for a remedy for stress, I would like to explain about what is stress actually. Stress is the body's response to any demand. That means when the body needs anything, the body generates stress in our mind. And it is good actually. So we can say stress is positive. We can classify the stress into positive and negative stress like that. For example, if I have a shoot here, I am coming for the shoot here. So when I am coming from Ravipuram, I am looking to the watch and I am planning my travel to reach here. If the road is blocked, the stress is generated. But when the block is removed, the stress is relieved. Like that, when there is a stress, after that the stress should be relieved. If it is a continuous process, like it can generate a problem in our body. Like when the continuous stress will release a chemical in our bloodstream called cortisol, which sustained release of cortisol can lead to autoimmune disorders or fatigue like that problems. So regarding the remedy for stress also, we have to find out what is the reason for the stress. Maybe because of the lifestyle, the busy life schedule, and maybe we are not sleeping proper, maybe family problems. There will be a lot of reason for a student. It will be pressure from the parents, pressure from the schools like that. So there are a lot of reasons for a stress. Apart from that, we have to manage the stress. So when it is not under our control, it can lead to a problem, it can lead to a fatigue, it can lead to anxiety, it can lead to palpitation, so sleep disorders like that. So in brief, I can say that one of the best techniques for stress management is an oil massage. Of course, if somebody is giving some counseling with good words and all, it is also a stress management. But physically, we can do an oil massage, which relaxes the muscles. The stiffness of the joints will be reduced, and also the circulation of the bloodstream will be increased. It tones the muscles, so aches and pains goes. That is the best technique and derived with Ayurveda for the stress management. We can add, if the stress is more, we can add more medication and also a treatment called Shirodhara. It is specifically used for the stress management. Shirodhara is just pouring of medicated oil over the forehead for a period of 30 to 45 minutes. It can be with the medicated oil, medicated substances like decoctions, or even milk can be done with Shirodhara. So the combination of Shirodhara with Ayurvedic massage definitely will reduce your stress. But we have to find out the reason and we have to go for the remedial aspects also. As well as yoga is also one of the best techniques for relaxation.
Doctor, there's another question.
Hi, I'm Jenny from SGTSBN. I have a question to you. Are Ayurvedic medicines are free of side effects?
It's a good question that whether the Ayurvedic medicines are without side effects. We can say 98% of the Ayurvedic medicines are away from side effects because it's manufactured with the herbal preparation, natural medicines like that. And generally, we can say Kerala Ayurvedic medicines are away from the heavy metals also. So there is a doubt among the public that whether it is containing heavy metals which will make harm to the kidneys or like that. Generally, Ayurvedic medicines are away from the heavy metals, and even though the metals are used in very purified form only. But there are 2-3 herbs or Ayurvedic products which can make allergy to the body. like medicine, raw drugs like semicarpus anacardium, which is called in Malayalam called cherkulu, and combiflora mukul, which is called gugulu. These two can be generate some allergic tense to the body. So usually the physician, either the physicians, they will tell the patient that this can make some allergy to the body, skin rashes or allergic rashes like that, itching like that, and sometimes vomiting sensation. So these two products containing, these are one of the ingredients of the kashayam or any other products. So we will say that this product containing the combiflora mukul, the gugulu like that. So be careful. Then if any problem comes, you have to report to the physician like that. Otherwise, 98% of the Ayurveda products are safe, which can be even consumed by the pregnant ladies or children.
Doctor, the next question is,
Hi, I'm Arja. I'm representative of SDTSV and Nochima. My question is, what is the doshas?
What is Tridosha? Tridosha is the basic concept of Ayurveda. Three bioenergies. The three bioenergies are the pillars of our body and mind. What are the three bioenergies? Vata, Pitta and Kapha. As I told earlier, the 5-element theory, apart from the 5 elements, there are 2 elements which make a bioenergies. Like Vata is derived from air and ether. Pitta is derived from water and fire. Kapha is derived from water and air, like that. So the two elements are making one bioenergy like that. Within this, the whole concept of the Ayurveda works. So imbalance of the bioenergies leads to any ailments to our body like that. There is a prakriti or a permanent status for our body. We can classify the person to Vata type, Pitta type and Kapha type like that. But there can be elimination or elevation of the bioenergy sometimes due to the hormonal imbalances, due to weather conditions, due to any other external problems or like a virus or bacteria like that, which can lead to the imbalance of the bioenergies, which leads to a disease. So the basic concept is that imbalance of the bioenergies, the Vata, Pitta and Kapha, leads to a disease.